Bitcoin calling for $30,000 again, and again. You wanna know the last information about the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button, cause it's time for crypto news. Find the right crypto at top. We found this meme. It's so funny. You see that here calling, knocking at that door. It's just $30,000 once and again, and we are tired. We are bored about this. We are all the time bouncing between $30,000 and $28,888. We need to break for good $30,000 line and start going up. And this depends on dollar behavior mostly. So you can see here that we still beyond this line, the yellow one, and we need to bounce there and go back to the lower stations where we have the opportunity for stock market and crypto to rise. Again, here with a little bit of zooming with TradingView, you have the link in the description to this application. You can see how we are going up. We broke this line we don't want, but now maybe we are finding resistance with these previous highs for dollars. So maybe it will start going down and then Bitcoin and stock will go up. Remember last video where we told you everything about Bitcoin behavior, our expectations for the month of August, also about Litecoin, everything about that halving. And remember that we said that 28,888 is not a bad thing if we consider the previous lows, and also if we consider that it might be a bounce in the moving average of 20 in the weekly chart as here or here is not a bad thing. Some people, some experts believe that we are following a fractal from November 2022. It's a similar behavior, of course, and the idea here mostly is that we are in this kind of stairs, this kind of steps, and now we need to create another one, so going up a little bit. Maybe this bull in Wall Street with the Bitcoin nickels is going to help us. We'll see about that. Stock market in Asia going down right now as crypto is too, because dollar is going up in the 30-minute dollar chart. But we don't care. You can see here Bitcoiners during bear markets and also Bitcoiners during bull markets. So it's all smiling for us. It doesn't matter. And now what we know that future presidents embrace Bitcoin. What about Biden and this mug? It has the laser eyes. Do you understand what's going on here? If so, he says he likes its coffee dark. If you understand if he's supporting or he's making fun of crypto, tell me in the comments below. Thank you very much. And another thing to say that maybe is a very good moment for buying Bitcoin is that Jim Cramer warned us again against investing in Bitcoin. So remember, anytime he says something like this, price goes up again. And we told you a long time ago, it was in June in Crypto News, watch all our videos, that Bbva was introducing an ETN in its services, but we got on Instagram this channel, Noticias Trading, and here he's telling us about the situation now where you can find it actually in your app if you use this bank, one of the most important ones in the Spanish community all over the world. So the thing there is that I created this very small video. I went to my account and you can see if you click in the center bottom where you have different kind of instruments that we have already the ETN for Bitcoin. So if you click there, it will tell you the difference between an ETN and an ETF. If you want to know, you can see that one is dedicated to the index and the other one tells you the behavior, the simulation of the behavior related to bonds and options of the instrument. So that's the main difference. It will tell you everything about it here, and then you can click in operate and you need to open an account, and there you are able today of operating on an ETN on Bitcoin on this huge bank, which is crazy because you know that if you want to buy Bitcoin with some providers, they will not allow you, the same bank, because again, they want you to use their products, of course. So interesting. This is a reality already. You will find this in all the other banks eventually, in my opinion. I'm not expert. This is not financial advice. The market is in the red right now, fighting for the green. And we have crazy green for HEX and PLS again. Remember, those two projects from Richard Heart are charged from the SEC because of misappropriation, millions of dollars of investor funds from unregistered crypto asset securities. So bad for him. But any case, his relation, allegedly a documentary this August, telling us how good this allegedly scam is anyway. The market, as I'm telling you, fighting for the green, but is still in the red mostly. And El Crypto Prof telling us that Ethereum is so relevant right now, so important what's going on with Ethereum. Because if we manage to break this triangle we have right now, as we did in 2018 to 2021, then Ethereum and all the altcoins are going to have what we call the alt season, and it would be very good. But in any case, Ethereum right now keeps on going down, so maybe we have to wait till next week to have good news for Ethereum. The market and the psychology of the market is neutral today. No fear, no greed, and maybe we should be scared because of the financial world situation and all these groups moving, like for example BRICS now announcing memberships of new nations at Summit. It's going to be this month, and all these countries are applying to be part of that BRIC brand in the world. Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa already there. Can you believe what will happen if this group gets bigger and bigger? Well, Lark Davis making fun. They now need a new acronym because BRICS subscribes by IBM is not a very good one. And also Mark Elter telling us that non-USA will be much shorter. Well, we don't have Europe there, but mostly the rest of the world want to be against US and US dollar. We tell you everything in past videos. Do not miss the last one about Litecoin halving. We told you there that it was going down 10%. We are 14-15% already down. And now Red Capital, just saying same as we did so many videos before, that historically Litecoin has retraced between 73% to 83% after its pre-halving local top. If we do that on TradingView, you can see that is exactly what I told you there. So Litecoin in the worst scenario, comparing with past situations, can go as low as $35. If not, well, if we go to the other path, we can be around the price it is right now. It will be a much longer crypto winter for Litecoin, but in any case, we won't go as low as if we have a shorter one, but deeper one. We'll see about that, and you need to understand you have a lot of possibilities of making money with this crypto world thanks to our partners, CoinEx Global. Follow them. Also CoinEx Spanish, their Twitter accounts. Every day they have draws. Every day they have contests. Today, just to commemorate the halving event for Litecoin, you can win 500 USDTs. So link in the description. Go to CoinEx, open an account with that link, and you are able of winning. Also, now they have another for this token called Forta Network. So again, just follow them and participate. Remember also, if you want to make money, that with Round Up today, Friday, you have another chance to win the lottery that you can't lose. Watch the video to understand what I'm telling you right now. And talking about partners from Fun on the Right, thank you to DEXTools and BlockGalicia. We will be there on September 28, 29, 30. You have a 30% discount. The first 30 riders run because there's less and less left for you. And remember to go to DEXTools.io, where you can follow X behavior, Twitter behavior. Those are today the most important ones. Remember that X is not related with Elon Musk whatsoever, but in any case, it's being traded there. A lot of speculators and a lot of speculation and rumors about Elon Musk, our favorite troll. X, formerly Twitter, reportedly considered adding Bitcoin Dogecoin trading, but it's not true. Elon Musk said that this wasn't the case to his recollections. For me, it's funny that he says the word to my best recollection, because it's like when they are in trial and they see this. So maybe he is up to something, but he doesn't want to tell us yet. Will this affect Dogecoin? Of course it will, if this would be true. And now, more news. Base is going to be released on August the 9th. They are having brands like Coca-Cola, Atari, OpenSea, Pixelmon, and Showtime. They will offer daily collections, on-chain NFTs. If you want to take advantage of that, well, I leave you the link in the description, where you can know about on-chain summer. And here you can mint from August the 8th. I leave you this site in the description below. I'm gonna do this just in case. Maybe it's a waste of time, but we will learn, because they are going to teach us stuff with this new layer. And also maybe in the future this has some value. We will tell you more in new crypto news. So watch them on, and remember to smash the like button and use the links in the description. That helps us a lot. And also thank you to Coin Tracking, our partner. Remember that also your losses can make a difference for you if you have a proper portfolio like Coin Tracking, the one that I use. 10% discount in the description. This is the tool I use for tracking my crypto daily. And also, now that all the fiasco for Ledger seems to be over, or at least people is not angry anymore, well, we tell you again that we keep on using it. So if you want to buy a cold wallet, a Ledger wallet, well, go to the site with our link. Thank you very much. And there you have some discounts. Depending on the one you buy, you might have up to a 30% off. So take advantage of that, and take advantage of our pool in Cardano Fanon. Thank you very much to all the riders that remain there, because yesterday we validated another block. So it's now 2 blocks in a row. So good to know. And remember that if you want to talk about this or any other thing, we can meet in Blockchain Galicia. I'll be there. Thank you to our friends that retweeted this piece of information we told you yesterday about it. International Blockchain Galicia. Do not miss that out. And now for the good stuff. Would you do this? It's a link. It's funny. You can feel like Neo on the Matrix. What about this trick, stupid thing of the day? Do you know that with your hair you can open beers? But what if you are bald? Well, then you can use a fork or something of a short. What about this guy? Smart, because he's going to drive with his bicycle to the water, so he's going to be not hot anymore, as these kids having fun because they don't have Twitter, they don't have Instagram, they don't have YouTube nor TikTok, and they enjoy life as people from my generation did when we were young. What about this bird is dead? No, it's not. It's having a sunbath. Did you know that some birds do this in order to fight some worms, insects, etc.? So interesting. And what about this guy that uses this thing as an umbrella? Interesting how nature works. What about this guy trying a kiwi for the first time? Oh my, I prefer a watermelon. Of course you do. And now for the cat section. This guy turned the camera over to show it's human that the dog was chewing the remote. This is a cheater. And what about these dogs? Now lost everything in the crypto world. They are working in a gas station. Not just the dog, also this cat is working there in order to make a living right now, as the crypto winter seems to be over. Never. What about this one? Is stealing some food, so it's worse for this one. And what about this guy? Doesn't cares about the market conditions, doesn't feel bad. He just wants to dance, as we do here in Fun on the Ride, having the time of our life. And now let's rest a little bit, but be careful if you get asleep when you are doing number 2. That's not intelligent. Go find a friend that gives you a proper massage, or find someone that hacks you. It seems a fight, but it's a hack fight. So cool stuff. Go out there, find some love. This is the most important thing, as we tell you all the time in Fun on the Ride. And let's chill for a little bit, like this guy is doing. We have no more time today. If you want to listen to this in Spanish and learn a little bit, go to our primary channel on YouTube, Fun on the Ride. If you want more in English, just wait for next crypto news, Fun on the Ride, health, money, love, party in peace. The best is yet to come. Crypto a tope, to the moon!